Between ubabcele nomkhotho banokudouble inyuke ebhaya.
Ubaba ucele.
Double.
Yebo.
Mara babongile kule mali obapha zona. Babuyile babonga.
Ya bayabonga ya.
Umkhotho yena ubongile.
No.
I've noticed ukuthi umuntu olungile mfethu uyaphana ngemali. Nangosizo futhi. DA Mayor uTanya Campbell the time offer service ngecompany yakhe ye security yena wabuya wazobonga.
No.
Zanga bonga.
Yebo.
Mara. Okay. I know. Mawuthi ubheke icela ubongele ngiyabonga mfethu. Do you know any gun laws? Sharp ngama gun laws.
Yes.
Do you have your competence?
Yes, I do have.
Did you like go for training yoko dubula and all that?
Yes, I do.
Is that the reason why umkhotsi akubiza ngo John Wick ngoba shy spam?
I don't know.
Maruzulu to Brown uthi John Wick.
I heard that, yes.
John Wick.
I'm Vusi Matala.
Mara shy vele fo.
Ngiyenzani?
Uyashaya. Like yanemba ke mawudubula adubula.
No.
Oh, double. Okay. No, what I'm asking because some melody bayakusaba mfethu. Kune ruma lokuthi ayawinsizwa udlala. Why do you think bakusaba kangaka? Wenzani lengaka?
Mina ngazi ukuthi bangisaba ngizwa ngawe.
Angizwa ngabantu namfethu ngiyisithe ikhona ora yikho ngokwazi kwakho. Yaqala ukuyizwa. What would be a reason yokuthi uhambe ngesecurity engaka at some stages? Is it because unama enemies or khona abantu oxabene nabo or you were involved in some businesses that put you at risk?
First of all, is because of business to advertise your business. That they need to see it to operate kanjani.
Okay.
That is the main yeah.
What is your educational level?
Matric.
Matric only.
Yes.
So if ngabuyele kasi Hotman, you advise intwana ezifuna ukuba uwe because yabo uyakhinda bra wami idlupho yalihlaba awudlali mshana malume indwangu yayishaya strong, but that inspires a lot of kids ukuthi Hotman igcoka kahle and all that and is successful. What would I advise them or how would you advise them to become you ukuthi uqale phi so uthola so successful kangaka? What did you do from matric to be so successful in business?
I wouldn't say I'm successful.
To your level, or
Yes.
does it mean you haven't reached the goal of reach our? That's what you're saying.
Yes.
But for making more than $1 million a month, you don't regard yourself successful.
No, I don't.
Okay. But what would you? How would you advise umfana omncane ukuthi hayi kumele wenze kanje or wena wenzeni ufike kanjani la ukhona? How did you get here? And how long did it take you?
Through security business.
Security business. The business yakho ye-security uqale phansi noma wayithenga ku-Morgan Mawumela?
Ngiqale phansi, but mengivula I did not have isira. So Morgan by then had a sira. So ngivule ngaye. Then mengicada ukuba nesira then ngiyabuyisa kimi.
uMorgan Mawumela lesikhuluma ngaye yilo obathi umshana we-president ye-ANC Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa lo wephalaphala.
Yeah, basho kanjalo but akusumshana wakhe.
Abazani.
Bayazani mara akusumshana wakhe.
Have you ever been in the same room or same space where Morgan was there and General Fani were there?
Fani and Morgan?
Yeah, abazani.
I don't know. I don't think so.
I don't think so. Abazani.
Yes. I think it angazi.
Okay. When yamkenu fine.
No angma.
Limpani, General Limpani?
I know her because the CEO Ben Patola uye.
Okay.
CFO, I'm sorry.
CFO.
Yes.
Asibuyele kancane emuva le ndaba yakho yakwaDlamini umswati mina. So if uDlamini kumele ngikuhloniphe kumele ngithi inkosi Dlamini. Are you Dlamini? Is there
My grandmother.
wakwaDlamini?
Yes.
So is that why uzibiza ngoDlamini now?
And he's busy with Dlamini. I was just acknowledging my grandmother.
The WhatsApp nje babhale Dlamini abhaleke kanjani?
It was, you know, sometimes you just feel good to
Dlamini.
yeah, okay, I'm eating.
No nyakuzwa. So sorry for that. I want to establish ukuthi from Swati to Swati intwana yaseKasi to Khotman laseKasi. So it was for me Khotman ukuthi angeke yenzeke into yokuthi according to ama specs afunakalayo for one to get a tender of that magnitude, with what has been said about the company yakho ukuthi at certain stages it didn't qualify.
Satan?
At certain stages of qualify for this tender, it didn't qualify, but you ended up getting the tender. And kasi to kasi in fact you know what I as hamba as nombori manje. Does it mean bakuhlanganisele somewhere Khotman?
Lento leyo ayikho leyo angibelieve leyo.
Should uthole content liqondile.
Yes.
But manje mase baliflega bathi khona into ezingahlangani kahle kuwe kuthini lokho?
Into nami ngizibuzana ukuthi why lento lo bangayibonanga mebayenza ama evaluation wabo.
Did you do a follow up yokubabuza ukuthi ebafethu nishaya into yami kandine niphasisile and nithe ngiya qualify?
Yeah, inama letter maningi la. Izobashara nani?
Abuza lezi zinto lezo. Ublame abani kulento yokuvala kwethenda lakho? Ucabanga bakushayeleni? Ubani okushayisayo? Grand ubani wena nekwali naye? Ubani lokuhlasela kanje bra?
Mina honestly I think abanikazi bale tender they want it back.
I-Metropolitan le.
Yes.
Uthi wena i-Metropolitan le tender ilithole kayi3.
Ngoba even now bayithumela kubo futhi as we speak.
Ibuyele back kubo.
Yes.
I-owner ubani le Metropolitan?
Ngisaba nokukhuluma igama.
Mfethu. Ngeke kwenze next usesimex bro ngiyakutshela kugeneki la. Nama ngikhona ukena.
Amanye amagama akakhulunywa.
uCreature njengoba ninonke lapha eSimex uyakhona ukubona.
Ubani?
uCreature.
It's impossible.
Anibonani?
Unokumbona uya ku legal visit.
Uyambona uma uya ku legal visit?
Yes, only that, yeah.
It's impossible ukuthi umbone.
Angithi mina I'm awaiting trial and then he's sentenced.
Okay.
Yes.
So yabona ukuthi nalo umnikazi wemetro mawungamveza igama lakhe ngeke kwenze next ngoba ngeke khona ukuthola.
That thing is easy. You can check it on Google and check the
Yamqaya bra.
shareholding.
Ket Matlala usaba umnikazi weMetropolitan bra.
Yeah, ngiyamsaba.
Khotman. Okay. So ngicabanga kwakho mfethu njengoba this Metropolitan got it, you say they got it 3 times if not 4 times. Do you think babahlanganisele? Asikhulumele phansi.
I think he's the preferred I will say he's the preferred vendor maybe by prefer yena ukuthi uyithole kanjani that I don't know, but into ngibona ukuthi ba prefer yena ngoba mengibheka nama amount lawa they say 360 mara yena bampatale 1.9 billion. Mara
do you think ingamla lena ne?
angifuni ukukhuluma ngomuntu lo.
Ngicaya Khotman.
Yeah.
Ngicala ukubona umuntu omsha kanje. So Khotman uBracele makadaye apartmentini yakho. Uhlale for how many days?
Okay, it's different occasions angithi. Akazange kayi1.
How?
Maybe it was him 3 or 4 times, I don't remember well.
Okay.
But maybe sometimes ulale kayi 2 days, sometimes 4 days kanjalo, so akazange kayi1.
And all this time makaza lapha kwakho uvane fro or uphethe stock?
Yazi uze nefro kayi1 mara mina angazi ukuthi stock or fro mara ngizwe ngalomfana lo washonile ukuthi unomfazi lapha. That day azange ngayi.
The day uya wena mawuthi awukho busy uyomchecka bekabambile. Bekafasile. bengafasanga
Yeah.
bekayi-1 udla nje bahleli laphaya
Angithi angithi lapha kune restaurant phansi and then
Yeah.
bamlethele ukudla yeah.
u-order from your room service
Yeah.
yonke lento ibhadala uwe aphinde acela imali makaceda lapho futhi
Injalo.
ayihefle out yoyo ayihefle kakhulu